Alright guys, here we are on Google Cloud again. I'm just showing here we have a bucket with some documents which I use to create a data store on AI applications. This data store uses the bucket. So this Planet Search, basically these two documents I put on. I have my ADK agents. I have a LangChain one that uses LangChain community tools, is Wikipedia and other. We can use also we have the API wrapper. So that's gonna go insert into Wikipedia. Okay, I have here for agents like Crew AI, Function, LangChain, Vertex. Okay, so right here I just ran ADK web to get into all the agents available where you can get from here. I use LangChain and I made a question. Who was Grace Hooper? That's based on Wikipedia. Quite nice. If you need a Wikipedia search, that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.